Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video I'll discuss about a January effect strategy which can be applied both in trading and investments. For the whole year. So basically, the concept is January. The new financial year starts in for the Western countries in January. For India, it is but FIs plays a very important role over in our markets. So the money flow which is coming in January is very important. Secondly, a lot of FIIs, lot of institutional investors, they get their bonuses in December and they try to deploy that in January. So this is a very seasonal effect, but a very good strategy can be formed out of it. So basically, what we have to do is we have to note down the January. Each year January is high and low. So like this year's January low was 16,836. Now, if you can see here, the January month get over here. It took an exact support at 16,809 and close was at 842 above 836. From there very good rally came in. Again it took support here, it took resistance here. The high was 815 below 836 and from there the big fall started. And day before yesterday, this week only, it closed below 836. So we were short. Next day it opened up, made an exact low at 837. From there the big rally started. So this is a very important strategy. So I'll show you on a few stocks like Reliance. Again, see here, it is holding January low quite significantly. Once it closed above it, it is holding up. So if it breaks this January high, then it is will be super bullish, but in between, if it is able to hold this low, it is quite good. Now let's take an example of ITC also. You can see here, it held on to the January low, and from there IT the high was broken, and from there such a nice rally. In such a dead stock, you get to see a nice rally about 227. One-sided, almost a 17 rupees rally. Let's take another example of Tata Steel. So we have, it's an inbuilt program with us. So Tata Steel unable to break January low, it broke January high, and from there it gave you a decent rally. HDFC stock, HDFC Bank, which has been underperforming the market for so long, it is approaching the January low of 2448. So this is a level which needs to be watched out for. See, it broke this 2448, and from there you can see a 300 points fall came. Let's take another example like Indus India Bank. I'm just giving you these examples to, so this strategy is quite useful. So Indus India Bank unable to break the low from there. So basically, if it is unable to break the low, you go long. If it is breaking this high, then also you can go long. Minimum target I get for 5%. If it is unable to breach this high, I can go short. You can play this range. If the high is not broken, generally price goes to the low. If low is broken, then minimum 5% you get, and then you can trail your positions. If high is broken, then again above minimum 5% you can easily get. And Volta, so this can be used both for investments and trading. Also see Voltas. It's unable to break a January low, so I can keep this stop loss below this low. I can go short and it can fall down again. So again, a very simple strategy. So yesterday in my site, I've shared this swing levels also on the website of all the stocks which are near January, high, like Cummins India, Bank of Baroda, Titan, and all that stuff. And similarly, stocks which breaking this January low also, like Petronet, Assam, ACC, and all that stuff. So you can, and even Google Docs is there, so you can just open this Google Docs link, and there also you can get these levels quite handy. So these levels are valid throughout the year. They are valid till January of 2023. As and when they come, you can take the trade. So here I've given you both the scanners, the output of the scanner, so you can, if you're not comfortable with the image, you can use this. A very simple strategy, so just note down the January high and low, and you will see a very nice and a trending move into the market. And these levels comes quite handy, like Bank Nifty. See here, before this big fall, it is breaking its January low, and January high it closed above it. So again, like I've told you, if the price is not able to close above the high, you can short and it can go all the way towards the January low. So 3,000 points more you can get. It's a swing trade, very useful for both option buyers, option writers. And let's hope now the bull trend in Bank Nifty above 38,855 is what I'm looking out for, and below 35,526 again I'm expecting a good fall into the market. So kindly practice this. It's a long weekend ahead, so kindly practice and see how it is working out. If you have any questions, just let me know in the video, and I can help in sorting out your doubts. So these are levels which are valid throughout the year. These are, levels which are which don't change. They are just one level. You have to just focus on them. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.